Hi, I'm Bill O'Reilly. Thanks for watching us tonight. The land of opportunity. That is the subject of this evening's Talking Points memo. While our leaders in Washington continue to embarrass the country by failing to get a debt deal done, Americans are somewhat confused about what's going on. John Stossel will demonstrate that a bit later on. What the debt situation is really all about is your right to pursue happiness. America is the greatest country on earth because it gives the most people the most opportunity to prosper. It does that by using the free marketplace, whereby people can work hard, make money, and provide for themselves and their families. But since the mid-1960s, America has practiced social engineering, spending tax money directly trying to improve the lives of those who don't have very much. Those payments are called entitlements, and they're now so high they threaten to bankrupt the entire nation. Liberal Americans tend to support the entitlement society, while conservatives are more inclined to promote individualism and smaller entitlement spending. President Obama, of course, is a liberal, and the Democratic Party is now dominated by the left. That's why, in the past 2.5 years, federal spending has broken the bank. It's worth repeating. Under President Obama, the government is now running up a debt of more than $4 billion every day. Far more than any other president. But what are we getting for all the spending? A new study by the Pew Research Center says that the net worth of white Americans is 20 times that of black Americans and 18 times that of Hispanics. On the surface, that looks bad. But if you look behind the stats, as Talking Points always does, not about skin color or ethnicity, it's about education. The unemployment rate for Americans with college degrees, 4.4%. If you have a high school degree, it's 10%. If you fail to graduate from high school, the unemployment rate is a whopping 14.3%. So you can see the key to success is graduating from college. Our high-tech society demands educated people, and if you're not educated, you are likely in for a very rough time. Also, the unemployment rate proves that no matter how much money the feds pump into the hands of the less affluent, it doesn't make much of a difference. You build wealth by making a good salary, buying a home, and saving as much as you can. The essential mistake that Barack Obama is making is that he believes Lyndon Johnson's Great Society entitlements can elevate the poor to prosperity. They can't. In 1965, the poverty rate in this country stood at 14%. Now, after untold trillions have been spent fighting poverty, the poverty rate is 14.3%. Amazing, is it not? The conclusion: America's bankrupting itself with an entitlement philosophy that does little. And that's a memo. Now for the top story tonight. According to a